located on 100 acres of land, and it is expected to have capabilities to make city buses, coaches, and long-distance buses. This factory, as you came in, sir, has a wide range of capabilities. You came in through that road. So when the materials get in here, we should be able to take them through a series of processes. For the steel plates, they come in as coils. We uncoil, we cut, we punch, we bend, we form. For the rectangular sections, we cut, we drill, we weld, undercoating, intermediate coat, the final coat, we bake it for strength, and then we start the assembly process, where now standard parts that come from the wider supply chain, whether locally or globally, like the drive axles, the steering system, brake system, we integrate on the chassis line. We allow the customer to come and make some decisions. We do a mock, and then we allow the customer to come and make some decisions on how the seats can be configured within the vehicle. After that, the vehicle is ready for pre-delivery inspection and delivery to the client.
On all of us. So we start from the vision, the strategy. So the leadership of my own brother, His Excellency President Museveni, is very important on all of this. And I want to thank him in the name of my nation and people for everything he's doing, first for Uganda people, and for Africa. I also want to thank all of you here in different areas, missions, for what you are doing for the implementation of this project. Because someone think on it, someone had a vision, but you are the one putting everything in place. Then in the future we have all of these available for everybody. To you, I think you are the governor of the region, local government. You should be proud of what is happening here. I think if I have to choose again the touristic place to visit, I will come to Jinja in 2 kilometers. So all of you, thank you once more. First, to get conditions for me to be here, to know you and to see what you are doing. Okay, all the best to all of you.